Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the spell checker on your keyboard for your Android phone, your Google Pixel. So just go to the top right, go to settings. So sometimes this gets turned off. Let's go to system. Then go up to the second option, keyboard. Then go to the spell checker. Make sure this is turned on. Then we got the system language and the default spell checker right here. Looks like I'm using the Google spell checker. We can look up contact names. Okay, we got that. So we're all good here. Just turn that on. Now this might be in a different area. You can check it. But I got something on for Google voice typing. I'm going to turn off the offensive words so I can actually see what's being said. And then I should be good to go. I have that on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.